All right, on this one, we're going to find the area of a trapezoid. So using our formula chart again, because you're not expected to memorize these, but you are expected to find them and use them, we're going to look for area. So first I see area, and then we are looking for the shape trapezoid. So here's trapezoid right here. So there is our formula. So now that we have our formula, we're going to go ahead and do our t-chart, bring over our formula, break it down, plug it in, and solve it. All right, so go ahead and draw your t-chart and write your formula on the left. The formula for trapezoid is either 1/2 b1 plus b2 times h, or you can write it as a divided by 2 also. So for instance, you can write A for area, so A equals, open parentheses, b1 plus b2 times your height. All of that is divided by 2 since it's half of that. So I'm just kind of showing you a different way here as well, that the 1/2 means the same thing as dividing it by 2. All right, over to the right, we're going to break down each variable. So A equals A. We have a b1 equals, we have a b2 equals, we have an h equals. The divided by 2 part can just be left alone because it's already a number. All right, let's find our b1. Well, base 1 is going to be 4. That's going to be our base 1. Base 2, the other base, will be 9, which leaves our height to be 5. And again, it's going to be the line that makes a 90-degree angle with a base. That's your height. It's usually in dashes. It is never the diagonal line. Okay, it's never the one leaning. So that one right there is never going to be the height here. Okay, so let's go ahead and now plug things in. Again, our height was 5. All right, A stays the same, so I'm going back to the formula side, and A equals A. All right, so base 1 I'm replacing with 4 because that's what our base 1 is. And once we use it, we lose it. Okay, base 2 is 9, so plus the 9. Base 2 is out, and then height is 5. Then you have to bring down your divided by 2. All right, and again, once we use it, we lose it, and that just helps us remember what we've done already and what we still needed to do. If you did want to cross it out on the formula as well, as you brought down the A, you could cross that out. As you plugged each one in, you could have crossed them out as well, and once you brought down the 2, you bring it down. Now that we're done with basically our checklist, we just do the solving part. All right, so A comes down, it's still A, it's the unknown area. Let's go ahead and do one step at a time. I'm going to do the 4 plus 9 because it's in parentheses. Okay, so 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, and then times 5, and then divided by 2. So go ahead and pause here and do the 13 times 5, and go ahead and do the divided by 2 also, and see what you get. Okay, I am still going to break it down all the way for you just so you can kind of see where all the numbers came from. So A equals, well, the 13 times 5 was 65, and then bring down your divided by 2, and that would have given you 32.5, or 32 5/10, or 32 1/2. So I'm going to kind of write it larger over here. It's 32 5/10 centimeters squared. And that is the area of this trapezoid. So just find the formula and follow the formula. As long as you guys can practice that t-chart and plugging it in, then you should be good to go. Just take one step at a time. All right, good luck.